Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
First, prepare both accounts before starting the connection process. Open Gmail settings and enable IMAP access from the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab. Next, secure your Google account by turning on two-step verification in security settings. Then create a 16-character app password if you use app passwords for Outlook. Confirm you are running Outlook 2016 or newer for smooth auto-configuration, and have your Gmail address and normal password ready. Keep note of IMAP port 990. Open Outlook and choose File, then Add Account to start automatic setup. Enter your full Gmail address and click Connect to begin Google authentication. A browser window will open for your Google sign-in and permission grant flow. Approve calendar, contacts, and mail access so Outlook can sync those items. Outlook will detect IMAP and SMTP automatically using port 993 for IMAP and port 587 for SMTP. Finally, finish the setup and allow Outlook to download your message headers and folder structure. If automatic setup fails, choose Manual Setup and select IMAP as the account type. Enter IMAP server IMAP. Gmail, com and set port to 993 with SSL enabled for incoming mail. For outgoing mail, use SMTP. Gmail, com and set port to 587 with startles or TLS enabled. Use your Gmail address as username and the 16-character app password if required by Google. If you encounter blocks, verify two-step verification, regenerate an app password, and check firewall or antivirus settings on your computer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.